Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 51 divided 17 bracket 1 plus 2. Many people fail to solve this. This looks simple, but still people make mistake. What mistake? They solve it like this. 51 divided 17. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 17 times 3 is 51 and 51 divided 51 is 1, which is the wrong answer because they did not take a right approach. That means they did not follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So these rules help you to understand what to solve first, how to take a approach to solve this type of expression, and when you take this approach you will always reach a right answer. So here if parenthesis is given, then first you have to solve the parenthesis, that means this bracket, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So rewrite the expression 51 divided 17 bracket 1 plus 2. So here first solve the parenthesis, that is 2 plus 1, 3. So it's 17 times 3. Rewrite the left out term. So 51 divided 17 times 3. So as we already discussed that division and multiplication both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So when we solve it from left to right, 51 divided by 17 times 3. So 51 divided by 17 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.